What is up, you guys? It is Parker here with DecoExchange. Y'all, we've got another great tutorial out today, and I just wanted to remind you guys to subscribe to our channel, like the video down below, and at the very least, y'all, leave us a comment and let us know what you think. Hope you enjoy.
Y'all, I thought for sure we were going to be doing this tonight, but you guys chose Halloween. More people responded back with Halloween than Christmas. All right. And the one that we're going to use tonight is this one right here, a little Halloween truck. First thing that we need to do is get some pipe cleaners. So I like to start one on each end. All right, and I'm securing my twist towards the top. Now I'm gonna go one in the middle. Y'all, and then I'm gonna split the difference one more time. So I ended up with 5 across the bottom, and now I'm gonna split the ones on the bottom at the top. So we ended up with 9 total, and we're gonna start adding some glue now. Y'all, I glue right across that knot to make sure that it doesn't come loose and it doesn't fall off. We're gonna put this off to the side while we cut some mesh. We're gonna cut these at about 25 inches. All right, y'all, I'm also gonna add in this spider web mesh. And on this one, I'm gonna cut 20 inches, and we're gonna put one of these in every roll. So in every one of these twists, we're gonna add one piece of the green and one of these of the regular mesh. So I'm just gonna curl my 2 ends, scrunch it down the middle. Then I'm gonna grab my next one and just add it right in there as well, so that we get a multicolored ruffle. And we're just gonna add these right across. All right, I am gonna add these exactly the same way every time so that the green is towards the outside. So we've got the bottom done. Now we're gonna do the same technique, but across the top. Check it out. Y'all, we're gonna make our bows. So we're gonna grab our easy bow maker. So let's get ourselves a 12-inch tail. All right. Let's get our tails going. Y'all, I'm gonna do about a 6.5 to 7-inch loop here. Y'all, let's get this trimmed out. Y'all, the mesh ribbon makes for a really nice, fluffy bow. So it's a good base starter. All right, so y'all, that's all the 2.5-inch ribbon that we're gonna use. All right, y'all, our bow's getting pretty big, so I'm just gonna switch to 2 loops on these. Is there a rhyme or reason for the ribbon arrangement? No. Whatever you want to do. Let's get our pipe cleaners. Let's get this tied off. Get this twisted. All right, check out the bow. I'm going to add this right in the center. Y'all, we're just trimming these tails down a little bit. Y'all, on the mesh, the Deco mesh ribbon, like this, y'all, don't try to dovetail this. Watch. It's mesh. It's going to fray. If you dovetail it, you're going to have a hot mess. Just cut it at an angle and accept the fray. It's going to happen. All right. Y'all, we're going to make 2 more bows, slightly smaller, to go on each end. We're going to add each one of these to each side. How can you get an easy bow maker? We usually have them at DecoExchange.com. You can see if we have any in stock. If we don't, we'll have more in hopefully next week. All right, let's get this one added. Y'all, we want to make sure that our bows are kind of in a straight line. We can't have them like looking in 2 different directions. You got to get that fixed, friends. Y'all, for me, this is where I stop with rails. So you can go in here and you can add flowers and greenery and ornaments and picks and sprays. I always stop. For me, a rail is a lower price point item. And if I start adding picks and sprays and all that, it starts raising the price. And then you're back into the same price range as a wreath. So for me, I only add mesh and ribbon. Y'all, so this is just a pipe cleaner that we're adding to the top. For it to hang on. All right, there we go. So all we have left to do is clean up the back here. And it's done, ready to be pictures and listed on Etsy. Our Etsy is DecoExchange.etsy.com. That's it for tonight. I'm going to go home before the rain gets too bad. We're just now starting to get the rain. We're not expecting anything crazy here in New Orleans, but definitely keep the other side of Louisiana in your thoughts and prayers, and Southeast Texas. All right? You guys have a great night. Bye, y'all.